Uh, 10th class maths quadratic equations 1 and 2 marks questions. Already 7 questions are completed in first video, and that I taught how to find the roots and how to find the quadratic equation. So now in this we are going to know about how to find the nature of the roots. How can we say find nature of the roots without calculating the roots? For example, suppose ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. We know very clearly. Okay, na? So a must be not equal to 0 and a, b, c are some real numbers. A must be not equal to 0. Okay. So for this, what are the roots of general formula? Minus b plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So in this formula, by using this formula also we can find the roots. Okay. But in this, b square minus 4ac, okay na, b square minus 4ac, that is called as discriminant denoted by delta. So delta equal to what? B square minus 4ac, and also sometimes it is denoted by capital D, capital D. So this is called discriminant. This is called discriminant. Discriminant. So without calculating the roots, by using this discriminant, we can see the nature of the roots. How? For example, I'm taking first delta value, we can find b square minus 4ac value. If suppose delta equal to, delta less than 0, we can say that there are no real roots. So no real roots. So roots are not exist if delta value is negative less than 0 means. And second condition, suppose delta equal to 0 means discriminant is equal to 0 means b square minus 4ac value is 0, then roots are equal and real. Roots are real and equal. So equal roots is the most important thing. When the roots are equal, delta value is 0. And third point is delta value suppose greater than 0 means it is a positive, then roots are real and unequal. Real and unequal. These are the most important concepts, especially when the roots are equal and real, delta value is 0. Okay, for example, question is given. I am taking, find the discriminant of quadratic equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal 0, and hence write the nature of the roots. Okay, now first he is asking what is the discriminant of some given equation. So dear friends, and the nature of the roots is very important for our exams. So see the concept. Given equation is 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. So given that 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. So comparing with general equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, it is a general equation. So what is x square? X square same, a means 3. A means 3. What is x means x? B means what? Here it is plus b, here it is minus 5. So b equal to minus 5. Here c means 2. So c equal to 2. So we got it a, b, c values. And asking for discriminant. What is discriminant? Discriminant means delta. Means b square minus 4ac. Now substitute. B value how much? Minus 5. So minus 5 whole square. Next minus. Next 4. Next a. A means what? 3. Next c. C means what? 2. So now minus 5 whole square. See here. Here minus also having square. So minus 5 whole square means minus 5 into minus 5. How much? Plus 25. Next minus 4 into 3. 4 into 3. How much? 12. 12 into 2. 24. How much? 24. So 25 minus 24 how much? 1. So what is delta value? We got it as 1. Discriminant how much? 1. What is asking? Find the discriminant. So discriminant equal to 1. So this is over. What is next to other? Hence write the nature of the roots. What about the roots? Roots will be what? Now real or equal or unequal. What is that? So here delta value 1, that is more than 0, that is greater than 0. So therefore roots are real and unequal. Real and unequal. This is the solution. And moreover, one more thing, if it is a perfect square, it is a perfect square because of 1 square, 1. So the roots are rationals. In this real, rationals also. If it is not perfect square, we get irrational. Perfect square, that's why rational. So this is the how to find discriminant. I'm taking one more question. Next, 9th question. Same, write the nature of the roots of quadratic equation. So given that equation is 2x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Comparing with general equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So compare with a. What is a? A value is 2. So a equal 2. What is b? B equal minus 5. What is c? C equal 6. So asking nature of the roots. To say about nature of the roots, we should find the discriminant delta. Discriminant delta is b square minus 4ac. So what is b is equal means is equal, delta means delta. What is b? Minus 5. So same, minus 5 whole square. Next minus 4 into, what is a? A value is 2. Next c. C means 6. So b means minus 5, minus means minus, 4 means 4, a means 2, gana? C means 6. C means 6. Yeah. Minus 5 whole square. Minus 5 into minus 5. So minus into minus plus 5 into 5, 25. 25. Next minus 4 2 ja 8. 8 6 ja 48. So how much it is? Minus 23. Is it positive? Negative. Negative means it is less than 0. So it is less than 0. Delta value minus 23 means it is less than 0. So less than 0 means what condition? No real roots. So it has no real roots. So it has no real roots. So this is very most important. I'm taking one more question. Suppose 10th one. What is 10th one? Find the nature of roots of x square minus 8x plus 16 equal 0. So June 17th question. It is also same, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal 0. So what is a? Here x square coefficient, x square coefficient. Here x square coefficient a, here x square nothing means 1. So a equal to 1 and b equal minus 8 and c equal here 16. Oh, okay. So what is discriminant? Delta equal b square minus 4ac. Delta equal. What is b value? Minus 8. So b square means minus 8 whole square. Next minus, next 4, next a means 1, next c means 16. What is the minus 8 whole square? Minus 8 into minus 8 plus 64 minus 4 1 4, 4 into 16, 64. What is delta value? 0. So when the value of delta is 0, what is the condition? Real and equal. Therefore roots are real and equal. So this is the way of saying nature of the roots. And also one more question, 11th question is same, find the nature of the roots without calculating roots. X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So June 18th. So do same as well as find the discriminant value. If 0, say real roots. Depend on conditions. Okay, what you will get? B square means 25 minus 4ac. So we are getting 24 equal to 1. So we get real and unequal. Okay. So 12th question. If the equation kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0 has equal roots, find the value of k. So given that kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. So comparing the general equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is a? X square means x square, a value k. So a equal to k. Next b value minus 2. C value 6. So these are the ABC values. So what is asking? And more given statement is roots are equal. So equation is given and saying roots are equal. And what is asking? Find value of k. So given that roots are equal. So roots are equal means condition is what? Roots are real and equal means condition what? Delta equal to 0. So that implies delta equal 0. So what is delta? Delta means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So delta equal to 0 is the condition. 0 means 0 is equal delta means b square minus 4ac. So now substitute. B means what? Minus 2. So b means minus 2. So minus 2 whole square. Next minus. Next 4. Next a. A means k. Next c. C means 6. Yeah. Sorry, here b value is minus 2k. Sorry, by value minus 2k. So here we get minus 2k. Very good. So minus 2 whole square plus 4. K square means k square. So we are getting 4k square. Minus here 4 6 are 24k is equal 0. So in both what is common? Both comes in 4 table. So 4 is common. Here it is k, here it is k. So k also common. Take out 4k common. Remaining 4. Just k is remaining. In 4 table 24 means 6 ja. K took out common. So here 4k equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. So k equal 4 send right side 0 by 4 0. So k equal 0 or minus 6 send right side becomes plus 6 either k equal to 6. So k value is 0 or 6. This is when the roots are equal. Then we took delta equal 0, discriminate b square minus 4 equal 0 and substitute and simplify, get k value. And I'm example taking one more question. Find value of k for which quadratic equation 4x square plus 5kx plus 25 equal to 0. And saying has equal roots. So here same question. So given that 4x square plus 5kx plus 25 equal to 0. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal 0. So what is a? 4. What is b? 5k. What is c? 25. So what is given condition? Given that roots are equal. Roots are equal means what? Delta equal to 0. So delta means what? B square minus 4ac equal 0. B means what? 5k. So B means 5k whole square minus 4 asterisk. A means what? 4. C means what? 25 is equal 0. So now 5 square 25, k square k square. Here simplifying. I am keeping asterisk, I am not multiplying. 4 4 is 16 into 25. Because of, I think you understand, 25 is take out common. You can take out 25 common. So k square minus 16 equal 0. So 25 send right side, it goes to 0 by 25 becomes 0. So the remaining is k square minus 16 equal 0. So k square minus 16 equal 0, minus 16 send right side. So k square equal plus 16. So taking square root on both sides, then k equal plus or minus root 16. So k equal plus or minus root 16 means what? 4. So k value minus 4 and plus 4. So this is the solution. Similarly, solve one more question. 9x square plus kx plus 1 equal 0. Roots are equal. Find value of k. So dear friends, I'm saying that the concept of finding some k value when given that real roots are equal is very most important. We can observe the same type of questions are repeated. Question is not repeated, concept is repeated. So concept is important. Okay, na? Thank you friends, and one request, so please subscribe and share with your friends and your neighbors, and also like. Thank you very much, and all the best for your exams.